Global warming is the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature. This warming trend is primarily driven by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. These fuels release greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. Imagine the atmosphere as a blanket around the Earth. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. This trapped heat leads to a warming effect on the planet, similar to how a greenhouse traps heat to grow plants. The consequences of this warming are far-reaching and significant. Understanding the causes and effects of global warming is crucial to addressing this global challenge. It's not just about hotter summers. It's about the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems being disrupted. We must act now to mitigate the impacts and preserve a habitable planet for future generations.
Fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, have long been the backbone of our energy production. However, their extraction and combustion release significant amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Imagine these emissions as a thickening blanket around the Earth, trapping more and more heat. The more we rely on fossil fuels, the more we exacerbate the greenhouse effect. This dependence on fossil fuels has led to a dramatic increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, a key driver of global warming. The consequences of this warming are already being felt worldwide, from rising sea levels to more frequent and intense heat waves.
Trees play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. However, deforestation, driven by agriculture, logging and urbanization, is removing vast swathes of forests globally. Imagine cutting down a tree. It no longer absorbs carbon dioxide. Deforestation not only removes these carbon sinks, but also releases the stored carbon back into the atmosphere, further amplifying the greenhouse effect. This double whammy of reduced carbon absorption and increased emissions exacerbates global warming, contributing to the alarming rate of climate change we are witnessing today.
The consequences of global warming are already being felt worldwide. Rising global temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at an alarming rate, leading to rising sea levels. Coastal communities face an increased risk of flooding and erosion, displacing millions of people and threatening critical infrastructure. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, are becoming more frequent and intense, causing widespread damage, loss of life, and economic disruption. The delicate balance of ecosystems is being disrupted, threatening biodiversity and the services they provide, such as pollination and water purification.
Addressing global warming requires a multifaceted approach and a collective effort from individuals, governments, and industries. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, is crucial to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and curb greenhouse gas emissions. Improving energy efficiency in our homes, buildings, and transportation systems can significantly reduce energy consumption and emissions. Adopting sustainable practices such as reducing waste, conserving water, and promoting sustainable agriculture can minimize our environmental footprint.
Combating global warming is not just the responsibility of governments or corporations, but a collective effort that requires the participation of every individual. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. Simple actions like using energy-efficient appliances, reducing our reliance on cars, and adopting a plant-based diet can make a difference. Supporting policies that promote renewable energy, sustainable practices, and climate action is crucial to driving systemic change. Educating ourselves and others about the urgency of climate change and engaging in constructive dialogue can raise awareness and inspire action. The future of our planet depends on our collective action. By embracing sustainable practices, advocating for change, and inspiring others to join the movement, we can create a healthier, more resilient planet for generations to come. Remember, every action counts, and together we can make a difference.